Let's talk about a lighting mistake that I see all the time when you need a new light bulb. You're at the store and you see daylight and you think, great, I love daylight. Who doesn't? But in reality, this is a color temperature that is way too cool for most homes. They're hinting at it here, and this is a problem. Just because they sell it to you doesn't mean it's good for you. Lighting isn't just about brightness, it's about color temperature, which affects how the space feels. Here's a breakdown. 2700, it's the warm, cozy, flattering color temperature that we connect most with an incandescent bulb, the ones that everybody used to love. 3000, now I typically use 2700 in most of the home and 3000 in kitchens and workspaces where you need a little more attention to detail. I don't use anything else here. This cool white, daylight, they're just giving you the option, but honestly, these are not color temperatures that you want in a home. That being said, there is a time and place to have cooler lighting as the baseline in your home. In really hot climates, it might be more desirable to have a 3000 versus a 2700 as your baseline because it does actually change your perception of the temperature. Also, if you're designing a lot of crisp and bright, a lot of white in your home, you might want to consider 3000 as the baseline because it is a cooler, more neutral light. And anything higher than that, honestly, I would just ditch the rest. Unless you're going for Costco store vibes, in which case, I don't know what to tell you, man. And here's a mistake people don't realize. Mixing these in the same space makes everything feel off. That's why your room might feel weird even if you can't put your finger on it. So instead of defaulting to daylight, go for a 2700 for most of your home. It'll give you that warm, inviting glow that makes a space feel good. For kitchens, bump it up to 3000 for a bit more clarity without losing warmth. I need to let you in on something. You're probably looking online and seeing a lot of color temperature charts to figure out what to put in your home. Now, everything that I've looked at when I search for that is AI renderings. It's not accurate stuff. It's not real world photographs of the same space with different color temperatures. So it's really hard to trust something like that, especially when there's blogs full of AI regurgitating bad AI. It's not really meant to help you. Do yourself a favor and go to a lighting showroom. A lot of them now have displays. Sometimes they're really small, but they're effective, where you can turn a dial and you can see the color temperature change right before your eyes. Put your hand under it. Don't go by these pictures online that are showing you one thing or another, or even worse, giving names like daylight, cool white, soft white. They're meaningless. This is 2900. This is what they're calling 3000, 5000, 6500. That Costco box is calling this cool daylight. Cool daylight sounds nice, but I don't want a cool daylight living room. Do you? And one more pro tip. If you really want your lighting to look good, check the CRI rating. You want a rating of at least 90 so colors in your home look rich and natural, not washed out or weird. Let me know in the comments, what color temperatures are you using in your home right now? Do you disagree with anything I said? And do you notice a difference if you changed it?